guys, thanks so much for joining me today on our kitchen adventures. Tonight I am making a taco ring, Pampered Chef's famous taco ring. So I have already laid out the crescent roll dough. You do it kind of in a starburst pattern, and you can press in around the ring to seal them together. So this is a pound of ground beef that I browned and added some seasoning, and then mixed in about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. So whenever you're making recipes using cheese, you really want to grate it yourself. Store-bought pre-shredded cheese has cellulose fiber to keep it from clumping and sticking together. That's not really anything you need as part of your cheese. Get yourself a good grater. Pampered Chef has several different types of graters that you can get and grate your own cheese. If you don't like spending the time to shred your own cheese, you can get a big block, grate it all up, and pop it in the freezer. And then when you need to use shredded cheese, just pull out the amount that you need. So I'm just kind of doing every other one and tucking the dough under the meat. Then switch directions and go the other way. You'll leave some gaps, but pretty much seal it up. It's going to go into a preheated oven to 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. So I do have a little bit of cheese left over, and this is going to go on the top. And this is one of our adjustable graters. Folds up for easy storage. You can grate flat, or I prefer to do it in the teepee style. And there is a protector, a food holder, so that you keep your knuckles away from the sharp blades, because nobody needs any skin in the game when it's coming to cheese. All right. Okay, so this is the Rapid Prep Mandolin, one of my very favorite products. Watch how fast this works. So I'm going to do a whole head of romaine, and I cut off the very end. Okay, I sped it up, but it really does go very quickly. This is my favorite way to make just shredded lettuce. It's perfect for tacos or salad or taco salad. There we go. Shredded that whole head of lettuce in, what was that, like 15 seconds? And then I'm actually going to slice my tomato too. Or I like to do the slice first and then send it back through and do the dice. So I'm just going to lay the tomato slices flat and go the other direction. Got our tomatoes, cheese, and lettuce, and So you just pull the taco ring out of the oven, let it cool a bit, then you can load it up with your lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese.